Good morning from the Central Illinois Weather Network. I'm Larry Eastep. A number of tornadic cells moving across portions of Arkansas and even into Mississippi and Alabama and Tennessee this morning as storms continue to develop and race to the northeast, even into portions of the St. Louis area by midday. You can see a very strong line of storm stretching from I-70 just to the west of St. Louis all the way down I-65 through Nashville, down to the Atlanta area, back through Montgomery, Alabama, Jackson, Mississippi, even over a little bit earlier over portions of Shreveport, Louisiana, and then back up through Little Rock. A very big line of storms right now and a number of tornado warnings. We'll show you this as the afternoon goes on. These storms are going to continue to develop and intensify with a significant risk of a tornado outbreak over portions of Middle Tennessee, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, and possibly even the Boot Hill, Missouri, and southern Illinois. Very serious weather situation. Let's take a look at the Little Rock Storm Lab right now. We can show you these warnings as they're coming down here. Tornado warnings all over Arkansas at the moment. We've got a tornado warning in effect right now for Cleveland County, Arkansas, Dallas County, Grant County, and Jefferson County. Movement to this is to the northeast at 45 miles an hour. Also for the area here near Pine Bluff, an additional tornado warning for Cleveland and Jefferson County. That particular cell moving to the northeast at 50 miles an hour. We can show you here that cell's pretty much just to the northeast of Pine Bluff right now. There was a tornado report with this a little bit earlier that was in the Sulphur Springs area. Funnel cloud reported by law enforcement, and now we're watching another very intense cell to the west here with this tornado warning. Another cell moving towards the northeast at about 50 miles an hour. Down here we have additional tornado warnings for Arkansas County, Desha County, Drew County, Jefferson, and Lincoln counties until 10:30. Movement with this storm is northeast at 60 miles an hour. We have been watching these storms throughout the morning as they have just been flying across the area. We'll zoom out here just a little bit and we can show you the intensity of these storms as they just continue to fire up. The Little Rock area right now not under a warning, but these storms are definitely showing the potential of some very large hail and damaging winds, and I would not be surprised at all to see tornado warnings with those coming up here shortly. Storm Predator shows you the expanse of these storms across Arkansas this morning, and you can see some severe thunderstorm warnings now even popping up into portions of southern Illinois on the very north end of this storm. You're going to see some large hail and also some damaging winds in those areas as well with those storms. Another tornado warning right now is right on the southern Tennessee border right now, and we will keep an eye on that as well, as those storms are going to be moving into Middle Tennessee as the morning goes on. The Tennessee Valley radar shows you this, again, very nasty looking line of storms just moving into portions of Middle Tennessee from Mississippi and also over portions of northern and central Alabama. So again, tornado warnings in effect already this morning. A number of counties in the Little Rock area, Pine Bluff, Arkansas area, all under tornado warnings, and additional development is going to occur throughout the day. As we get into the midday hours, we'll probably see additional tornado watches to the north and to the east of the current ones. You can see those tornado watches right now extend over a good portion of Arkansas, and the probability with tornadoes with these storms throughout the day is going to be very high as the instability increases, daytime heating occurs, and we continue to see the potential of a significant tornado outbreak across the lower Ohio and Tennessee valleys. For the Central Illinois Weather Network, I'm Larry Eastep.